So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the earnings of a stock here on TradingView. So once you have TradingView opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to select a stock of your choosing. So for this demonstration, I'll just go to the bottom here, press on Explore. How about we find a Canadian stock just for this demonstration to change things up here? So we'll go to Canada right here. We will then scroll down to highest volume, so we'll just select RBC stock, ticker symbol RY. So you have the stock chart right here. If you want to view the earnings, simply just scroll down to where it says key stats. And where you have key stats, there's a bunch of different options for you. But if you don't see earnings right here, simply just go to where it says more financials right here. Down below, you can go ahead and view the stats right here. You can view the valuation ratios, the profitability ratios, the liquidity ratios, other, etc. You can view dividends, earnings right here. So if you want to view earnings, simply just press on earnings between revenue and dividends. Press on earnings, and then you can go ahead and view the earnings per quarter right here, or on an annual basis as well. So super simple, super straightforward. But that is how to view the earnings of a stock here on TradingView. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.